Now that I've shown you a little bit what the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro looks like up close, all of its different components, everything that it comes with, the bag that it comes with, all the accessories, how to put it to the test. So we're out here in the great Southwest New Mexican desert. Just out on a random trail, set up the rooftop tent. And I've got the AC going. I've got it powered on. I've got it set for about 73 degrees. But as you can see, I've got the tent on this side that I'm sitting on wide open. But on the little temperature gauge thing here, see if that shows up. It's 99 degrees here in the tent. So I am going to step out of the tent and zip it up and, let it sit for a few minutes and then come back and check it and see if it's cooled down much or if it's still 99 degrees in here. Stay tuned. And we're back inside the tent. As you can see, I'm in here. I got that side zipped up. You can see the vents going in there, pushing air, exchanging air. Got this side zipped up as well. It's not too bad in here. Not from when I first set it up. It was quite warm in here when I had set it up and I had the side open. Let's see what the temperature gauge is reading here. After about 30 minutes, it has dropped it down to 89 degrees and falling. So not bad considering, how hot it was outside, and it started hot, in here with the tent baking in the sun before I even opened it. And in 30 minutes, it dropped to 10 degrees. So that's not bad. Obviously if you set it up ahead of time and you prep your space well, you're going to have a nice, cool sleeping environment, when you're out there doing some desert camping, or, you're working in the shop at home and you're going to use it in a workshop or a shed or something, or even a small room in your house. It's going to cool it down. It's going to cool it down pretty good. So yeah, it looks like this thing's a buy, man. It works. The power's awesome. I've got it running on my power station. I have a 1,000-watt power station now, and it's running it pretty good. No issues. It's running strong, and it's only gone down to about 4% in the last 30 minutes. So not too shabby. It's going to do pretty good.